morning, guys.
Good morning.
So now we are starting from Goa back to Hyderabad. It's morning 6 o'clock. It's a bit cold here. We thought of starting at 5 o'clock, but it's completely dark outside, as you can see, and it's very cold as well. So we thought to take some more time, and now we are going to start. Distance will take somewhere around 15 to 16 hours. That again depend on the route, because we are going to change the route. The route we came was very bad, and we got very bad experience of that road and all. So
We came from Belgaum, now we are taking the Hubli route. So let's see, hope the road is better here.
let's see by what time we will reach Hyderabad. Bye.
So we have decided we will take around 10 to 15 kilometers of detour and go to Dudhsagar waterfalls. It was an impromptu decision, but if you have come to Goa, you have missed that waterfall. That's the most famous waterfall. This place is called Molan. This is a biodiversity park. I just saw the board. It's all forest. It's core jungle. Usually all the waterfalls are in the core jungle. So Dudhsagar waterfalls is around 20 kilometers from exactly where I am. This is the biodiversity park that I was talking about. It's beautiful. So once we reach Dudhsagar, maybe before that, if the road is good or if there are any good views, I'll start the video there again. Bye guys. So we are going from Goa to Hyderabad via Hubli. So from the Goa Hubli road, we have to take a 15-kilometer detour on the right side in order to reach Dudhsagar. So we are going an extra 13 kilometers to and fro from the highway to Dudhsagar. Maybe it will take an hour more for us because we will have to spend some time there, but it's worth it. I wanted to go to Dudhsagar waterfalls always. It's very famous near Goa, so one should not miss it. So it's coming from Hubli, and when you travel by train, the train stops at the junction, which is very close to Dudhsagar. You can literally see the waterfalls from there, because that's a double engine there. But if you're coming by car or bike, I think you need to go to Dudhsagar as a separate detour. It's not on the way totally, it's almost there, but there's a 15 to 30 kilometer detour here, which is worth it. And it is all core jungle, guys. I don't see anything here. There is not even a single shop. As you can see left and right, there are some taxi jeeps going in and out. Maybe these are the ones that usually take you to the waterfalls from Goa or from any other places. But I don't see any habitation here. Maybe near the waterfalls there will be, for sure. But on the way there are no shops, nothing. So it's a good idea maybe to go to Dudhsagar before dark, for all the obvious reasons. So let's reach. It's around 30 kilometers more on this road. Problem is, when we took a detour for 15 kilometers towards Dudhsagar, and Dudhsagar was just 10 kilometers away, we have been stopped by the Goa tourism guys. So past that checkpoint, you are not allowed to take your personal vehicles. There are two main reasons for it. One, it's a core jungle area. Second, it's total off-roading. So due to the safety issues, they are not allowing us to go on our personal vehicles. So if you want to go to Dudhsagar, it will take around 3 hours to and fro and 1 hour stay at the Dudhsagar waterfalls. For that you have to take the government jeeps, which capacity is 7. Okay, so if you have 7 people you can go immediately, else if you are anything less you have to wait until you have to, the jeep occupies 7 people. That is one problem. Second, per person it is 500 rupees for the jeep and 40 rupees life jacket, which is compulsory. So it could be total 540 rupees per person. So we have time constraint. That's why we thought we would not proceed further, because we have to go back to Hyderabad today itself. So we have decided not to go to Dudhsagar waterfalls, unfortunately. So we are going back. And we have decided not to proceed further. If we had time on our hand, we would definitely have visited. But again, I think 540 rupees per person is a bit on a higher range. When we went to Hebba waterfalls, it was also code general. The system was same, but then there was 360 rupees per person, no life jacket, nothing. So 360 comparatively is a better pricing than 540. So I would prefer, if you are coming to Dudhsagar, be prepared for the cost and the time. Though it was only 1.5 hour, 45 minutes going, 1 hour and then 45 minutes coming back. It was a good experience. I would love to go to Dudhsagar again, but maybe not this time. Maybe next time I'll try and visit it. But it's unfortunate that we couldn't visit Dudhsagar this time. Maybe we'll do it next time. Okay. So disappointed not being able to go to Dudhsagar waterfalls due to time constraint. So the Ghat road had started. We have crossed the Goa checkpost. So we crossed the Goa state now. Wildlife का नाम है भगवान महावीर wildlife. So there is a wildlife sanctuary on the right side, Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. If we had time on our hand, we would have definitely visited both Dudhsagar and this sanctuary. But unfortunately, we are planning to reach Hyderabad today. Look at the views, guys. The Ghat road. Look at the map. You know when the Ghat road starts. But this side Ghat road is, I think the road is better than the one that we came to Goa from Belgaum. So let's see how the stretch is. I think it's around 17 kilometers. I guess you can see the road now. Too many curves. I kind of slipped a little bit. The road is good, but I think it's a little bit narrow. I just love riding these kind of roads. Both at Murezgiri I felt the same way. There's less traffic on this road, though there are lorries, but not as many as I had seen in in that route when we were coming from Belgaum to Goa. Only one thing is we have to go a little bit slow because these trails are unknown to us and there's a lot of risk. Mostly in second and third gear because I have a lot of luggage and I have a pillion as well. So it's not that easy because you have to climb, you have to go down. The weight on my bike is too much. We're carrying 2 saddlebags, 1 tank bag and 1 pillion and myself. But I just love these kind of roads, whatever it is. Riding is just fun. Even if you come in car also, you would also feel very nice. Gives a different kind of thrill, guys. So you have to climb all the way up and then get down. That's how usually these hard roads are. In fact, while coming to Goa, I rode the entire Ghat road at night between 8 to 11. Riding in the day is much easier because in the night the problem was not with the road, it was with the lights of incoming vehicles, especially huge buses, lorries, cars. Everybody was driving with a high beam and the reflection made me go very slow, especially it was night, dark, cold and had reflection and I was driving solo, so I didn't wanted to take any risk. You can see in the map how the road is. I'm kind of running low on fuel, but I hope I can cover this distance. Maybe because of the height and low, it's reading incorrectly. But we have a lot of fuel left. Just driving expected from a Ghat road.
Hello, folks.
Hi guys.
So we started our journey from Goa at 7 in the morning. We traveled a lot.
Around 450 kilometers.
450
today.
kilometers we covered, and we are still in the mid of the way. We did not reach our our home. So we are on the way. The biggest thing is it's very cold here.
And the
Even
roads are also not good.
So no street light, one lane road, where the trolleys, truck, tempo, everything is crossing. So we did not get. We thought to stay at some place and not to travel in the night. It's 10:30 or 11, I guess.
So we reached here, this place called Sirpura, and we have
So we
had a dinner at a dhaba called Sri Sai Dhaba. So after having dinner, we asked these guys if we can pitch a tent here. Thankfully, they have agreed.
they're very nice.
They are backside. So thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya. So we requested them to allow us to place the tent, and the big thing, this is our tent in the compound area. We have parked our bike inside as well, so it is safe as well. And biggest thing, these guys are really helpful. They gave us the blanket to so that to wear, so that we can save ourselves from the cold outside. And they gave us bed sheet as well. So our tent is ready. The only thing is we'll just do some walk and then we'll go for sleep. This dhaba closes at 10:30. So if you are on the way near to Sirupura, if you are near to Sirupura, you can come to this place. You can have very good delicious food, and staff is really friendly. Whatever you request, they will bring for you. And what else?
That's it. Let's call it a day, and we'll catch up tomorrow morning when we start our journey.
So Hyderabad is still 241 kilometers from here. It will take somewhere around 5 hours to reach because road is not good, and we'll get some cart road as well on the way. So we are planning to start at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, most probably.
6 or as sun rises, we'll start our journey and we'll try to reach as soon as we can. And we'll end the tour of Goa, and we'll share our videos with you guys. So good night for you.
Hope you guys had a good weekend.
Good weekend.
Have a
Happy
good
weekend.
week ahead as well. Happy Monday.
May the day, every day is a happy weekend for you.
Bye guys.
Okay.
Good night.
So we'll see you in the morning. We'll make another video of our start from here to Hyderabad. Then we'll end the story at Hyderabad once we reach. Bye bye till now.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi guys.
Hello. Finally we reached home. We reached at, what is the time?
Around 1:30.
1:30. We reached at 1:30 to Hyderabad. And this is full of dirt, dust, bike.
We have removed the saddlebags, so they are more dusty. So
Everything is dusty.
we have completed around 1500 plus 100 kilometer within Goa. So 1600 in 4.5 days, guys. In which we stayed at Goa for 3 nights and 2 days. So 4.5 days, 3 nights and 2 days at Goa. That's how it is.
So we are ending our tour here. And if you need any information, you can comment on our videos. We'll definitely reply to your questions. A lot of things we came to know while coming to Hyderabad. We can tell you about the best routes from where you can go, or which route you should select to go to Goa and to come to Hyderabad or to any place from Karnataka or AP. We covered a lot of distance. We covered a lot of places. We got a lot of good sceneries. We clicked photos. We will upload them. We'll make videos in part so that you can enjoy it properly.
We are tired, but
So much.
it's a sense of achievement. So now once we reach home, he is yet to reach home. So once he reaches home, he will also be relieved. I am pretty relaxed now. So thank you guys. Just wait for a video for a week and we'll upload it on Weekend Rides channel.
Happy days.